had about a 35-foot beam that had 560 some odd holes in it. We did it in 58 minutes. I was just blown away. We are known for getting a quick turnaround. You may call us at 4:30 in the afternoon, hey man, I gotta get this the next day, and we're the guys that are gonna make that happen for you.
Customers know more than anything else that we make on-time deliveries. Everything we do, every expansion we make is to service a customer. So we pride ourselves on being one of the best around on service. We know that some of the equipment that we have bought from Petting House cuts our labor way down, a lot more than half. The more labor you can go through a machine, the more you can sell, the more you can produce. Our tolerances right now for bigger parts are plus or minus an eighth, but we can get down to a 32nd or less, depending on customer requirements. It's hard to do that without machines that are operated by CNC.
We do milling for copes on beams quite often. Even in the center of a beam, you can change that function where it will remove all the material. It's very easy to schedule that machine. It's very predictable. The time frames you're going to get out of the machine, it's not like one part's going to take you 1 minute one day and 20 minutes the next. You're going to get a consistent, repetitious part off that machine. It's very simple to program. You can get a guy and train that guy a week on that machine and he'll have it down essentially. My favorite project we ran through the shop right now would be, we had about a 35-foot beam that had 560 some odd holes in it. It was drilling through leg of the beam and also through the web at the same time. I mean, it was just hitting it all three sides. It was awesome. To get a guy to mag drill that beam out would take him about a week and a half to do. I was just blown away.